Hey everyone, in this video, I'll show you how to manage client work in Wrike step by step. If you handle multiple clients and want everything organized, transparent, and easy to track, yeah, this setup really helps. All right, first, create a dedicated space or project for each client. This keeps client work separated and avoids mixing tasks between accounts. So, one client, one main area. Inside the client project, create folders for different services or phases. Things like onboarding, active work, revisions, and delivery work really well. Now add tasks for each piece of client work. Keep task names clear and specific, like draft proposal or final review. I mean, clarity avoids misunderstandings later. Assign every task to a specific person and set a due date so everyone knows who's responsible and when the client expects delivery. Use comments to communicate about client work, share updates, ask questions, and leave feedback right inside the task. This keeps all client conversations in one place. Use board view or timeline view to track progress. This makes it easy to see what's done, what's pending, and what might be late. I mean, perfect for client deadlines. Check the activity feed to monitor changes, comments, and completed tasks. So you stay informed without checking every task one by one. And that's how to manage client work in Wrike step by step. With clear structure and communication, client projects stay organized and professional. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next guide.